What's going on, guys? I'm Reese Bowers. Welcome to Built from the Bomb, and today we're going to pick up another wrecked bike to rebuild. This is gonna be another off the frame build. I'm gonna make this bike sick, but right now I'm in the truck. I got my trailer back there. We're all loaded up. We're about to head to Miami, but I'm waiting for Andrew. He is not here yet, so let's see how late he is. We were supposed to leave like 45 minutes ago, and I'm still waiting for him. Let's go. Look at this boy run. Let's go, come on.
All right, so casino?
Dude, I don't know what's going on, but I feel like a bitch right now. I don't know when I developed allergies. Like,
Bro, what the?
I have like a runny nose, my eyes are like burning, dude.
That's kind of sus.
Pretty hyped to get this bike.
How messed up is it?
Dude, so he took some parts off it, put it on his Hayabusa. Like, this bike's gonna be, you know, it's just gonna be a lot of money in parts. He FaceTimed me, so like, I feel like it's, you know, only appropriate to FaceTime call him.
That's pretty sick though.
Dude, I just got on the road. This guy took forever to, you know, show up.
I have a slow ass Miata, bro.
That's all good. I just saw that your ETA is what, like 4 o'clock?
Yeah, a little bit before 4.
Okay, yeah, that's perfect.
Right on. I'll see you there.
Alright, see you, man.
Peace. Get the signs first, because we can do that later. Dude, you just ran a half mile for that shot. You're going to get out and get that keypad.
Wait, I'm the cameraman. I'm Andrew. So who fell on this?
So these are the Hayabusa shocks?
Yeah, these are the Hayabusa shocks. He was just showing
How long ago?
No. I took a fall on it about 3 years exactly.
What's going on, man?
Nick.
Oh. Okay,
Nick,
I'm Andrew.
How long ago?
3 years.
Dang, you didn't have it for that long?
It sat for like 6 months while I was injured, and then I started fixing it, and then we brought it to TT Motorsports. And yeah, they went out of business, and then the guy was like disappeared for a while, and I had to track him down and get my bike back.
Dang, you should have just left the forks on it.
I needed
it.
I needed that.
So only Busa with those forks.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
I tried angling them by chopping their alignment nubs off, but with where they sit on the underside of this, you don't have proper clearance. So I chopped them, rolled them out, and they don't have clearance up front, so you got to lower the front end, top mount these so you have the clearance for that.
It looks pretty good.
How does it ride?
I'd paint these.
Like a 1K?
Like safe, like really good?
This thing does not ride like a 1K. No, it's not.
I mean, around just the neighborhood, it turns like a 1K. It doesn't turn like an old
It
Busa.
does not turn like a Hayabusa anymore.
And it actually breaks.
You want to hear it start?
You guys can get started like this?
Yeah.
I want to hear it start.
That's sick.
Are you doubting me?
That's sick.
You have a DRZ?
KTM 400 EXC.
Oh.
Was there many people messaging you about this when you listed it? Yeah.
I had a guy that was going to come last night and buy it.
Wow.
Yeah, you just sweet talked me.
Dude, I'm telling you, that's...
It was a FaceTime call, bro.
I know.
It's heart to heart.
Nobody knows he wasn't born.
The no counterfeit bills have. If you scratch the collar, it's ribbed.
Oh shoot.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Listen real quick.
Okay.
I feel like you can normally tell just the texture of the bill.
I smell it.
You know?
I've had some real good counterfeits.
Yeah.
And you drive safe.
See you, man.
Yeah, see it?
Yeah.
Drive safe.
How we going, guys?
That's a cool Gladiator. Alright guys, we just picked up the 2012 GSX-R 1000. It's here on the trailer. Stop for a little food break real quick because it's dinner time right now, right?
About dinner time.
So we're gonna smash this and I'll catch you guys in 1 second.
That's the hard rock.
Dude, it would be pretty wild if we went in there and we just like, you know, both wearing black. We want to put like $100 on like black on the roulette table. Yo, I found this mask on the ground. It says Cali Plug. I wonder what that means.
Let's go gamble.
She's spinning.
Congratulations.
Alright, how do I cash out? Alright, I know this isn't a gambling channel at all. This is a bike channel. But I was down 200 at one point. I went 300 in to be up 100. I left, walked out. We turned our 100. $600, baby. That's all profit, but it's gambling money, so replicating it. Alright guys, it's late. We just got this thing unloaded. Just gonna tuck her away here. I'll catch you guys in the morning. It's the next day here. I got the 2012 GSX-R 1000 here inside the shop, and I started compiling a little bit of a list of all the parts I need to order for this bike so I can get this all ordered. They'll be coming in, and then we can get to building it. Let's address like the main things that aren't really parts that I need to order first. Is there's some rash here on the frame. Right here we have some rash, and then right here it actually dips in a little bit. You can't really see this on camera, but this dips in just a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is sand this down, weld it up, and then grind it back down and make it so it's completely flat and there's not this little dip. It's just like a very, very slight little dip in the frame. So what I'm gonna have to do is pull everything out so I have a bare frame, get the swing arm off and the subframe, and I'm gonna go drop those off to powder coat and do this frame gloss black along with the swing arm and subframe gloss black, because I'm gonna do this bike a sick color. I'm gonna put up a little clip of a bike I'm kind of gonna be copying. Looks absolutely insane. And talking about chrome colors, back here, we're still waiting on fairings. This is really the main holdup right now on all these bikes. But there's a BMW S1000RR underneath here. And I'm gonna be doing this bike chrome gold. So I'll be matching this chrome teal. So I'll have two chrome bikes, and I think that'll be so sick to have, like, you know, just, I don't know, just two chrome bikes. Aside from that, let's get to my list right here of everything I'm gonna need to do to this bike. For the most part, all the parts that are on it right now are in good condition and they don't need to be replaced. And also this tank, I'm gonna be able to save it. It's just dipped in a little bit right here. So pull it out, get it painted. This bike's gonna need a full front end, forks, wheel, rotors, calipers, everything, pretty much the whole 9 yards for the front end. I found a guy that has a whole front end for this bike for $1,000, so I'm probably gonna have to go send that. I'm gonna need the upper stay, the gauge cluster, headlight assembly, has this ugly kickstand right here, so I'm gonna order a new OEM kickstand. Needs a new seat, rear sets, because that rear set's fine, but we're missing the rear set on this side. Then we're gonna come over here to the rear. I need new tail lights, new key set for the bike because we don't have the key thing for the rear. I do have like the front key and then the tank key set. I want them all to match, so it's better just to buy a whole new set of keys. I'm gonna have to do a battery for it and also get a new exhaust because this thing looks like hell right here. I'm pretty sure this is just the OEM mid pipe. And then there's a muffler that like slaps onto the back of this thing. But we're gonna put on a nice little cool exhaust, so don't worry about that. New case cover. Other than that, that's really all this bike needs. And I say that's all this bike needs. That's a lot of parts because this bike is pretty rough right now, even though the parts that are on it are mint. So let's get to ordering all that stuff and we'll catch you next week. I'm whipping it, watch out.